Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you the 5 coolest things you can do in CMD. Maybe or may not be they are useful for you, but they are definitely useful to play with your friend's PC. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. We all want to know what our friend is browsing in his PC. So there it comes, the first one. Uh, Even though our friend clears his browsing history, but also we can see which website he visits the mostly and most frequently. Yeah, I will show you how to do that. Just go to the start menu and open the command prompt as an administrator in your friend's PC, and then type ipconfig slash display DNS. Yeah, there you go. This will show you the most frequently the all the websites that have been visited in this PC. See here you can all see which website has been visited the most will be sorted on the top of the list here. You can see mostly this PC has visited the google.com and play.google.com Google related to google.com, and thereafter it visits the Microsoft accounts and all other things here. You can see all the other websites it has been accessed. So basically to hide this, to remove this, even if you clear the your search history in your Google Chrome or Internet Explorer or some other browsers, the DNS cache will be stored in our operating system cache memory. So in order to clear this DNS cache, I'm gonna show you how to clear this DNS cache. There comes the second one. Type ipconfig slash flush DNS. This will flush our DNS cache over here. So whenever I tries to again see my DNS cache, there will be no DNS cache over here because the all the DNS cache data has been deleted successfully. So you cannot see which websites this system has been accessed the most and the frequent or anything. So here comes the third one. I personally like this one very much because daily you don't get to use your friend's PC, but occasionally you get to use your friend's PC. Like sometimes whenever you can say when you goes to his house or something like that, when you have any like any seminars or any presentations in your colleges or somewhere, then you get to use your friend's PC. So let's just make some fun of him, like say let's change his Windows password. So here you can see my Windows has been protected with a password. You can see blah blah blah, it's not working. So basically my Windows password is 123456 over here. See, now I'm gonna changing that password. Like first we should know about how many users this personal computer has been consists of. So for that you're gonna use net space user command. This will show you all the users of this PC. Administrator, this is the basic user, and a guest user, and this is the user we are gonna change the password here. So type in the command net user and followed by the account name, which means the username, win followed by the password that we want to change here. So I want to change password to Windows XYZ and enter. Yes, the password has been successfully changed. So let me show you here. 123456. So it's not working. So let's get a password. Our password Windows XYZ. There you go. The password has been successfully changed. By this method, you can really play and make fun of your friend. And so there comes the fourth one, and this is uh, this is something which whenever you wanna hide some files in your local drive anywhere in your system that shouldn't be found to anyone that uses your system, some passwords, like some of my friends keep forgetting the passwords every time, so they make a text note, they always writes their user IDs and passwords in a text file and place it in their computer. So when I get to use their computers, I always checks the to that file, and I always sees the usernames and password. So in order to hide those files, we can also hide these files. So let me show you how actually we can hide these files. We are going to command from here and run it as an administrator. Yes, done. Okay, and let me show you where my file is present. So this here I have a local list which is E, and this is the folder I want to hide it. So open the command from here. Let me show you here, and type in the command attrib, sorry, my thing is E. Okay, I wanna use this address here, this address. So control C and paste it over here, and plus S. We are adding the attributes here, plus R and plus H. Okay, then you can go here. You cannot find the folder here, which means this folder has been hidden. Uh, Hidden, so no one can see that folder. If you want to hide a specific file, like you can see here, this is a specific file here. So now I want to hide this specific file, which is my Filmora 9 activation key, which I keep forgetting this activation key. So I have make a note of this key. So now uh, uh, I wanna make this file hidden. So let me do that here. And so your basically attrib and your local drive, and then your file name here, and it is a text file dot txt. Okay, wait a second here. Which if anything comes in middle, like any spaces or something, you should make sure that it should be in double quotes over here. So now it is in double quotes here. So let me open this drive here, and again, see, you cannot see this file because this file is hidden. So to unhide this, just simply remove this, keep the parameter as a minus here, remove these attributes, and go. See, now you can see the file here, and now I wanna unhide my folder also here. So I'm placing this. Okay, there you go. Now you can see you can also see my folder which contains some files over here. You can see here. Okay, moving on to the last and final fifth trick here is, you went to your friend's home and he is not giving you a Wi-Fi user, Wi-Fi password, but he always says to you like, use my PC to access the internet. So in that cases, I get really pissed. So I wanna use his computer and get the Wi-Fi password. So for obviously his system has been connected to a Wi-Fi. See, like my system has been connected to a Wi-Fi network here. You can see, check here. Here my system is connected to a Wi-Fi network over here. So now I wanna see what is its password. So just type Natesh. Yes, there you go. WLAN show profiles profile. Yeah, these are the all user profiles which has been all the user Wi-Fi profiles which has been connected to this network, and this is the SSID of the each and every network here. So what is my SSID here? It is dealing hyphen 6367. So where is it? Yeah, here it is. And copy that and I have copied it successfully, and type again wlan show profile, and then the network SSID followed by space key is equal to clear. Then you get its all details. See profile information and connectivity settings here, and security settings. This is the main part we are gonna needed here to see his password, where the password has been and here this is the key, this is the password, and this is the password you need to use to connect to this network. So this is these are the 5 coolest tricks that everyone should know in the CMD, so that you can sometimes you can really play with your friend's personal computer, or you need to hide any data, like means somebody in somebody, like for example, take my friend where his PC will be used like with 3 or more people in his house. So he needs to hide some folders, files, or something from all of the people in their houses. So they can then those people can use this technique of hiding this data, anything. So if you guys like this video, leave a thumbs up below this video. If you guys doesn't like this video, leave a thumbs down below this video. Thank you for watching this video.